Good morning, it's another day here in Paris, and today we're doing something completely different. Today we are entering the catacombs. So this is something that I definitely wouldn't normally do, but you know, curiosity gets you, and it is one of the recommended things to do here in Paris, but it's freaky. Just finished with the catacombs. It was just as freaky as I thought it would be, but it's still well worth the visit. So now let's go explore more of Paris. So we're just wandering around the city now, and we came across the Parc de Luxembourg, and it's really pretty, really busy, and it looks fab. So that wraps up another incredible day here in Paris, and we just walked around to see the Louvre at night. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Louvre, don't know what it is. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed being here in Paris, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.